Hey everyone, welcome back to Journey Talks by Luna. Before we jump into today's episode, I want to say something straight from the heart. We are nothing without your support. This channel exists because you show up, because you like, you share, you comment, and honestly, it's your support that keeps this entire journey alive. So thank you. Really, thank you for being here today. And today, I have something very special for you. Across the table in our warm studio sits someone whose presence already makes the room feel lighter. Someone who has helped thousands of learners speak better, clearer, and more confident English. Everyone, please welcome Mr. Adrian Miles, English communication coach. Adrian, how are you feeling today?
Luna, I'm feeling wonderful, and I have to say, the studio atmosphere is perfect. Warm lights, comfortable chair, and this coffee? Okay, the coffee is dangerously good, like you warned.
I try my best, and we want our guests to feel at home. So, Adrian, before we get into anything serious, how was your morning?
Busy, very busy. Back-to-back sessions with students from different countries. And guess what? Almost all of them struggled with one question.
Let me guess. Tell me about yourself, right?
Exactly. You'd be amazed how many people freeze when they hear this question. Even confident people suddenly forget the simplest things, like their name or where they live.
You know, that is actually why you're here today. Because our audience, right now, watching this episode, many of them want to speak English, but they don't know how to begin, how to introduce themselves, how to speak naturally, how to feel confident. And today, with your help, we're going to fix that.
Absolutely. And if you're watching this, let me tell you something. You can speak confidently. You just need the right structure and the right practice. And today, we'll give you both.
Okay, Adrian, before we teach them how to introduce themselves, tell us, why is this question so important?
Great question. This one sentence, tell me about yourself, is like a door. If you answer well, the door opens. If you struggle, it stays closed. This question appears in job interviews, visa interviews, first meetings, classes, online friendships, dating, networking, presentations, even simple casual conversations.
So your introduction becomes your first impression.
If your introduction is clear, simple, and natural, people immediately respect you. They listen to you. They trust you.
So it's not just a sentence. It's your first image.
Exactly.
Okay, Adrian. People are watching. They want to learn. So teach us the magic formula.
All right. This is the simplest way to introduce yourself in English. My 5-step formula. Step 1, your name. Step 2, where you're from. Step 3, what you do. Step 4, a personal detail. And step 5, your personality or goals. Let me give an example in simple English. My name's Adrian. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I work as an English communication coach. In my free time, I love traveling and reading books, and right now I'm working on a project to help beginners speak confidently. That's it. Short, simple, clear, natural.
Beautiful. And it flows so smoothly.
Because simple English is powerful English.
Now tell me, what mistakes do people make?
Oh, there are many. Let me list the most common ones. 1. Speaking too fast. 2. Trying to use heavy vocabulary. 3. Making the introduction too long. 4. Forgetting to smile. 5. Memorizing lines like a robot. 6. Translating word for word from native language. 7. Panicking under pressure.
Yes,
People think big English equals good English.
But no, good English equals simple English spoken confidently.
Let's teach them with examples. Different people, different styles.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Manila. I'm a high school student and I love science. I enjoy drawing and playing volleyball. My goal is to improve my English so I can study abroad. Hi, I'm Ahmed. I'm from Cairo. I work as a graphic designer. I enjoy photography and gaming. I want to improve my communication skills for my career. Hello, I'm Amina. I live in Doha. I'm a homemaker and a mother of 2. I enjoy cooking and watching travel shows. I'm learning English to communicate better and explore new opportunities. Hi, my name is John. I'm from Kenya. I'm a quiet person, but I enjoy reading and long walks. I'm learning English to feel more confident meeting new people. Hey, I'm Leo, born and raised in Brazil. I'm a fitness coach and a huge football fan. I love meeting new people and learning languages. English helps me connect with the world.
These are amazing. I love how each introduction feels personal, not fake.
Now, let's do a small exercise. If you're watching this, you will speak along with me. Repeat after me. 1. My name is... Great. 2. I am from... Perfect. 3. I work as, or I study. Nice. 4. In my free time, I enjoy. Beautiful. 5. My goal is. Excellent. See? You're already speaking better.
I love this, and I know our audience will enjoy practicing. Okay, Adrian, thousands of people watching right now feel nervous. What advice would you give them?
3 things. Slow down. Your mind becomes clear. Keep the introduction short. Shorter equals easier. Smile. A smile relaxes your face muscles and improves your voice tone.
You know what? That smile point is so true. Even I feel more comfortable when I smile while recording.
Now, let me show you a slightly advanced version. Still simple, but more professional. My name is Adrian Miles, and I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I specialize in English communication training for international students and professionals. Over the past 10 years, I've helped thousands of learners improve their speaking skills. I'm passionate about language, teaching, and global culture. And today, I'm excited to share simple techniques that can help anyone speak confidently.
That sounds so good and still easy to understand. Adrian, let's add a story. Stories teach better than rules.
Okay, here's a quick one. A few years ago, I was teaching a shy student named Hiro. He was from Japan. Very polite, very quiet. Whenever he tried to introduce himself, he would freeze. So I told him, don't introduce your English, introduce your heart. 3 days later, he gave the most beautiful introduction I had ever heard. Simple, clear, honest. Sometimes confidence is not about big words. It's about being yourself.
That is beautiful. And such a powerful message.
All right, now it's your turn. Go to the comments section and write a short introduction about yourself. 5 lines, just 5. Your name, your city, your job or study, your hobby, your goal.
Yes, and we will read them, every single one. Before we end today's episode, I want to remind you once again, we are nothing without your support. Every like, every share, every subscription keeps this podcast alive and helps us reach more learners across the world. So if you found value in this episode, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Journey Talks by Luna. And don't forget, practice your introduction in the comments. This is your chance to grow, to speak, to express yourself. I'm Luna, this is Adrian, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay learning, stay growing, and stay confident.